80% of your results come from 20% of your actions. What's something people don't know about productivity? Most of your effort is background noise. The real work is hiding in a tiny slice. Most people grind through the full 100% and wonder why progress stalls. In business, roughly 20% of clients often bring 80% of revenue. For your to-do list, 20% of tasks actually drive 80% of progress. The trick: identify the few activities that actually move the needle. Audit your time, track outcomes, and ruthlessly prioritize those high-impact actions. Double down on the 20% that produces results. Cut the rest, delegate the rest. Work smarter, not harder. Find your 20% and double down. Cut the rest.